Welcome to the show, everyone. Let's try something heavier. Let's see what it takes to totally destroy a washer. Let's begin with the perfect way to spend your cash if you have too much of it. No need to panic. It's only a mannequin in that small chopper, so everyone is safe. Sometimes gravity simply refuses to cooperate. We actually got robot accidents before the release of GTA 6. Melted metal is incredibly dangerous. Here is a quick demonstration of why. Drone displays are stunning, but only if they don't lose their signal. Always ensure your vehicle is fixed by experts, just maybe not these ones. Watching these robots is satisfying until they make a major blunder.
Whoa. That should not happen.
My apologies, man, but an auger simply cannot be controlled. In Germany, a lithium battery suffered thermal runaway during a demo, showing how dangerous they can be. In Taiwan, a huge shipping crane collapsed and fell onto another during loading. Luckily, no injuries. When a tire is rolling down the road, you normally expect a vehicle to be with it. A Russian substation caught fire and exploded as equipment failed, but the crew escaped just in time. This excavator is losing it, and it will take some serious skill to bring it to a halt. If you ever hit something with your car, pull over immediately.
Yeah, that was an old afro.
This robot's philosophy: never let them anticipate your next move.
Oh my god.
Climbing a highway hill is tough for trucks. This trailer detached due to the massive weight. In this factory, a hydraulic pipe burst, spraying oil onto a hot heater and creating a sudden fireball. This is exactly why you shouldn't walk away from an active drill.
Watch.
That has to be the most passive-aggressive vending machine ever built.
This is so stupid. 45 hours?
Jen just moved her car. What the fuck is happening?
This occurs when you step off a Segway and disrupt its balance.
That's...
This New York robot struggles to keep red fluid within a circle, looking strangely alive in its endless loop. Cycling downhill is a blast until your brakes suddenly give out.
There's nothing on. Stereo is off. CD player is off. TV is off. Okay, now we're going to see if this does anything. Channel button doesn't work. Volume button doesn't work. Try power.
This guy's television has its own personality.
Power doesn't work. This TV is in crazy mode.
A simple dismantling job got tense when gas and oil surged from the well, though it didn't catch fire. This mill grabbed the steel wrong, causing a roll error that bent the bar and halted production. You're looking at molten iron at extreme temperatures, moving toward its transformation into steel. Garage doors are much more complicated than you might imagine. CNC machines are easy to use, but when they fail, you need an expert on the scene. That seemed quite personal, but luckily he's completely unhurt. A joint lift failed as two cranes tried to move another crane but lost control mid-air. The secret to keeping a telehandler safe is weight management, which this driver ignored.
This is like 3 minutes into this trying to give me an ice cream.
This vending machine obviously wasn't honest on its job application.
Fail. No, I'm not allowed to have any ice cream. Denied.
The lift basically said, "I'm not carrying you today." If only these guys had an actual excavator to help them out of this mess. This ticket machine malfunctioned for these folks, and man, that looks pricey. The crane was lifting a diesel generator when a cable snapped, dropping the entire load. Thankfully, nobody sustained any injuries. Clearly, airplanes don't do gentle bumps. At this paper mill, the roller went out of control, turning the entire area into a paper blizzard. This railroad crossing gate is in desperate need of some maintenance. This is exactly how you lose a battle against yourself. This truck caught fire after a runaway engine used oil as fuel, leading to extreme heat and internal flames. It's definitely time for a system update. Pressure cookers can be quite risky, but luckily this woman was unharmed. A robot at a Russian event went rogue and only stopped after a short-circuiting crash. Oops, it looks like someone skipped the instruction manual. Luckily, they're okay. An elevator accident occurred at Panama's Cordos, but fortunately, everyone walked away fine.
Ooh! My biggest win ever, it was the right. My biggest win ever, it was the right. What? How the heck? I'm slamming this thing and this thing opens. Oh my God, what just happened? All the wilds? I'm fine. I'm fine with it. I'm fine with it. How dare you do this to me? $1,435. How dare you pick the wrong side? I wanted the other side, man. Let's go. First spin, massive hand pay.
Slot machines are unpredictable, but this guy managed to actually break the system.
Freaking though. What is this? Ow! Now it can make some sound. Holy lightning link. Coming in strong.
A planned lift failed when the straps gave way, but safety protocols prevented any injuries. Legend says those things are still rotating to this very day.
Oh my goodness. So many people.
This is a perfect example of, I hope you're ready to eat nothing.
Another, I will do another piece mode, madam.
Always double check that the washing machine door is locked before starting it. Have you ever seen a robot give up in anger? Now you have. I suppose robots aren't ready to take over all our jobs quite yet. I'm guessing this trucker isn't a big fan of using the rearview mirror. I wonder what this specific button does.
No. Oh God. Oh Dios.
This was intended to be a driver test, but nobody anticipated this outcome. Here, a Russian S-300 system failed dramatically when the missile crashed right after launch. Strong winds and revolving doors really do not get along. This washer entered the spin cycle and immediately decided to start a fight. A brake line snapped, sending the car off course, but the driver used the emergency brake just in time. It's gone totally haywire. A generator malfunction caused a massive electrical arc, filling the room with fire and sparks.
That's not gone well.
The suction failed midair, and the robot dropped the heavy slabs. Luckily, the workers were clear. Here's a rogue Roomba that escaped and rolled into traffic like it was on a mission. Smart enough to deliver your food, but not smart enough to avoid a crash at the corner.
Ooh. Boys.
Just when you assume it can't get worse, it definitely does.
Best moose impression.
When an elevator got stuck during a flood, the passengers had to be evacuated.
Okay.
Installing a massive offshore jacket is hard, but when the equipment failed, things got unpredictable. Digit is a robot designed for 99% efficiency, and you're looking at that 1% failure.
Watch this door close.
I watched this door slam. That caution sign on the floor is there for a reason. A sudden glitch turned this machine into a molten metal fountain. Thankfully, no one was hurt. Who would have thought mowing the lawn could be so risky? This is why operators of excavators need incredible coordination. They say robots will take our jobs. Yeah, these robots. Nobody likes a rowdy crowd, and that includes this robot in China. This man built a custom cable rig so his family won't have any more mower accidents.
Keep going.
Parking brakes are vital, and this FedEx driver found that out the hard way.